అయినా పర్లేదు. తర్వాత నేను అది తేలేదు. ఇదిగోండి. నాకు 5 వచ్చి
అంత క్యాప్స్ కొడుతూ ఆయన చేతుల మీదుగా
సార్ వెనకరండి ఓకే సార్ ఓకే.
Today at Visakhapatnam station, we have started this facility of Rapido pickup point. As we all are aware that passengers are using the Rapido facility, but they are facing a lot of challenges. Like when they book the Rapido, they have to be in touch with the driver regularly to find out the pickup point, and they have to move in the station from one point to another point. There are times when network is not able to get connected, and there are ladies which are traveling alone. They also have their own safety problem. So in order to remove all these problems and facilitate the passengers which are coming to Visakhapatnam station as well as going from Visakhapatnam station, this Rapido pickup point has been provided. Now the passenger can come here and book their Rapido facilities from this point. Also, if they want to book on the geofencing area, they can book it, and then the pickup point is fixed. So there is no confusion and amongst the passengers. As far as women passengers are concerned, so Rapido will be providing them women drivers so that they feel safe when they are traveling alone. So with all these facilities, I am sure that Visakhapatnam station will get one more comfort for the passengers which are passing through it. This facility has been given in a very transparent manner by the division by doing the e-auctioning model, which is being used all over India. And the revenue, although it's not very significant because the main purpose is to provide the facilities to the passenger, but still we will be getting a yearly revenue of about 2 lakh rupees from this pickup point. So we are further trying to expand these facilities to different part of the Voltaire divisions, and maybe in a coming month we should be able to get such facilities at the stations like Vijayanagaram and Srikakulam as well. He said that Voltaire station redevelopment, it's a big project where, as you can see, that PRS building is already being demolished and work on the west side of the station building is going on. This will be a U-shape of building where there will be a building on west side of the station, east side of the station, and a terminal building, and there will be a 4 huge parking provided which will be catering to the large number of the vehicles, and this will have a seamless movement from one part to another part. The building will be designed to G+5. Initially it will be for G+2 or G+3, but it will have a possibility to get it extended up to G+5, and it will have almost all facilities. The purpose of this 500 crore project, which is being going on for the station building development, station yard development is a separate work which is under process, but this station development, the building development work of 500 crore, the purpose is to make it as a big city center, and people of Visakhapatnam should come to the station not only for travel but for their other requirements. Catered to the summer, we have announced a large number of trains which which are mainly catering to the Secunderabad, Bangalore, as well as we are working to get the trains towards Howrah direction. And as and when we are finding the waiting list, we are providing the extra coaches also. So we are making, so far a large number of train has been announced, and we are continuously monitoring the waiting list, and if required we will provide the additional.
Is there any proposal from Vizag to
The provisions have been planned for everything. It depends, because these are all commercial things, but considering that we are going to have a large number of parking, I think all the commercial facilities should come up.
Thank you, sir.